Are you serious right now? Jerry, why did you use the children cheering sound effect in your Burger Brawl episodes? You know that sound effect is rated restricted 18 and older. You should have used the people sound effect, but no, you use that god-awful sound effect in your video just to avoid criticism, and the children sharing is not sound cute at all. It sounded cringe, terrifying, stressful, inappropriate, scary, dangerous, and even extremely worse than Adolf Hitler. Oh, I forgot, for your punishment, I will send you today Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer logo. Ha 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 ha. You deserve that Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer logo. Now the line in the logo will give you nightmares forever. Man, I really wish that sound effect would get run over by a train. End of call out.